In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. It adds an extra layer of security to your Instagram account by requiring a second form of verification beyond just your password. This helps prevent unauthorized access even if your password is compromised. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and activity. You will then head on to this first option of Account Center. On this page, select on Password and Security. Head into this option of two-factor authentication. Select on your Instagram account and then choose on which method you wish to use while turning on the authentication feature. You can either choose to add your phone number and receive login codes on your WhatsApp or text message. And the other way is to use the authentication app on your phone. Choose the best way that's convenient for you amongst these options. That's how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.